can't hear myself. Volume up, volume up. I can do better than that. What's up guys, Brando here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, this is where we bring you a whole lot of unboxings, tips, tricks and tutorials. Today I have something for all you musicians. This is the Behringer P1 in-ear amplified monitoring system. The greatest issue we have as a musician is not getting enough volume through the monitors. And trust me, I know this firsthand, Delano. But all I'm saying is please give me more volume. I can't hear anything. And I know that as a musician, you cannot play or sing if you cannot hear yourself. So in most cases, we're always trapped with equipment that we cannot afford. And we're looking for something that's a little bit more in our budget that we can afford just to start up. So this is not a wireless system, it's wired, but I think it does the job perfectly. For the price, I really can't complain. What do we have here? It has high power output for loud environments. It has dual XLR inputs to allow 2-channel mono or stereo operation. It's switchable and it has a mix function. It's a cool little device. It's very affordable. This is actually one of the best budget range in-ear monitor kits that you can get. Let's get this baby opened up and have a look inside. We greeted with our user manual and a sticker. You know, I love companies that give us stickers. Let's have a look at the sticker. For the sticker alone, user manual, and very neatly tucked in this box, dedicate your life to music, is little P1 unit. It seems to be quite wrapped up here. I'm gonna cut it open. I cannot seem to find any space. Oh my word, my mic fell. Give me 1 second. Sound 1, 2, sound 1, 2. Is this thing working? Okay, I'm back. I was cutting open this packet and you all know how sharp my knife is. Ha 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 ha. Some silica gel and our P1. Right off the back, we have a 1/3 mount. But if I grab one of these tools, we will be able to... I can't do it right now. I need something bigger. But you'll be able to undo this little thread mount and hook this up onto a microphone stand. You don't have to use this belt clip, though I must say the belt clip feels quite nice as well. A very good chrome. It says here, conceived and designed by Behringer, Germany, but made in China. Up at the front, we have a dedicated headphones out, so that's where you will be plugging in your headset or in-ear into this unit. Then we have a volume control. So this volume control basically is the master volume. It controls the volume of both the channels at the back here. And here we have a balance. Oh my god, is this thing recording? Yes, it is. The balance control. What makes this unit so good is that I can distribute sound separately from 2 separate channels, one to my right and one to my left, and also give the exact amount of volume that I want. So for some reason I want my guitar to be on my right ear and I want the main vocalist to be on my left, I could turn up the pan onto my right so that I get more of my guitar. And if I wanted a little bit more of the vocalist with my guitar, I would just balance this out to neutral. This is the master volume for controlling both the right and the left pan. This would be able to give me my mono and stereo mode. If I just want to run in my instrument, for instance, I would just press in this button and it will give me a mono out. I can use one ear or I can use both of them with the same volume that's controlling it. At the top, we have place for a dedicated 9-volt battery. There we go. All we got to do is pop in a 9-volt battery into this P1 and it would be totally portable, excluding the big XLRs at the back here, but it's portable and you would not have to plug it in via an adapter. Which brings us to the next thing, a 9-volt 100 milliamp DC input. So if you do not want to use your 9-volt battery, you can plug in just any type of universal adapter that's 9-volt, and you can power this guy up so you don't have to worry about batteries and stuff. There's an on and off switch here, very important. If you have a battery, do not leave it on. Big mistake made all the time. We have two well-placed XLR mic ins. These are the inputs that would come directly from your Snake or from one of your guitar amplifier, sound effects pedal. I've seen a guy using this in his home studio to get his input, and he records using this. It works perfectly. I don't see a problem with that. The entire case is made of this die-cast metal. It's not plastic. You get a kind of a good semi-industrial build to this Behringer P1. I think it's good value for money. I'm gonna leave some links down below if you're interested in this. I'm also gonna be doing a video. Oh my word, can you believe that? How's it, babes? How you love? I'm shooting a video and I'm talking to you now while I'm shooting the video. Bye, my baby. Where was I? So yes, this is quite a well-made little unit that you can use for your monitoring system, and I can guarantee you that if you're starting up, you don't have to look at all of these expensive wireless kits that are now like $2,400, etc. This is going to do it for you. We've been using it now. I don't have a problem with it. It's just that you've got cables that run from the back, which can get heavy if you're planning to put this onto your belt. But bear in mind, this is a budget item. I think they did do pretty much a good job in this build, and they're giving us musicians what we need at a minimal price. Let me know if you have any questions concerning this P1 personal monitor system, and I would be glad to reply down below. I want to thank you for joining me on this video. Hit a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you didn't. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that I will be having 100 subscriber giveaway coming very soon. We are already at 73. I know maybe it sounds a bit small, but it's really big for me. Thank you again, guys. I could not have done it without you. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.